guys, what's going on? Today we will be looking into building and deploying a simple smart contract in Ethereum blockchain. The smart contract we write will be able to store and retrieve an integer field in Ethereum blockchain. Before we begin, we need few prerequisites ready. First, you need to install MetaMask Chrome extension. So MetaMask Chrome extension help us to manage wallet and connect to Ethereum network from a web browser. Second, you can use Remix IDE from Ethereum to write your smart contract. Once you have your MetaMask ready, you can connect to either testnet or mainnet. We have few testnets like Robson, Covan, Ringbee. So we will be using Ringbee testnet. So the first thing you have to do is you need to get some Ether balance into your account. So to do that, you can copy your address and you can paste it in one of your social media account and copy that link, the social media handle, and you can paste it in the faucet. So when you paste it, you will get some test Ether into your account. So once the new blocks are mined, you will get your Ether balance inside your account. So once you have done that, so you might ask, why do we need test Ether? So the reason why you need to test Ether is because when you deploy a smart contract, there will be a small gas fee involved, and that will be in terms of Ether. So you need a small Ether will be consumed whenever you deploy a smart contract or do a transaction. So that's why you need to have some Ether balance in your account. So let's create a small smart contract. Let's name it as my storage. Okay, so first you need to specify the license. So I will paste the GitHub link for the smart contract in the description. GPL 3.0. Okay, so you need to specify the version of the Solidity which you are going to use. So it will be greater than or equal to 0.4.16 and slightly less than. Okay, so let's write our contract. So let's declare the contract. So contract are basically like classes which we write in Java and all, like object oriented languages. So let's declare an unsigned integer. So this smart contract will be getting and setting a value into an integer field. So unsigned int x. So let's specify the access specifier and store data equal to x. And now we can write the get function get. So we have to specify the view uint and return store data. Yeah, that's it. Your smart contract is ready. So now let's compile this smart contract. So since you have enabled the auto compile mode, this smart contract is already compiled. So the next step will be to deploy the smart contract in our Ringbee testnet. So you have to choose the environment. So let's choose it injected web3. So when you use injected web3, it will be able to interact with MetaMask and deploy the contract. So when you click on deploy, it will take you to the MetaMask, and it will ask you to spend some gas fee as either, and to deploy the contract. So you click on confirm. So you can wait for some time. So you can see the transaction happened here. So this transaction looks like it's still in progress. So once the new block is mined, you will see your transaction here. Yeah, now it's mined. So you can see the contract has been deployed. Let's set a value. So to do that, just open this deployed contract and you enter the value, maybe 1000. Now set it. So you can see that MetaMask window has opened, and you need to pay this gas fee in Ether. Then click on confirm. So this value is getting set on the blockchain. So let's check if the transaction has been completed. So I think it's still in progress. So once the transaction is completed, we will get an alert here. So let's wait. Yeah, this transaction has been complete. Now let's try to get that. So you can see that the value changed to 1000. So we have successfully deployed the contract, and we have set the value to the value of 1000 into the contract, and we have got the value, return value get. So this set and get, they are the functions in the contract, and that's how you can deploy and write and read a simple data into the smart contract. Thank you.